We got 2 parts to modify, but I have to change them as a different file format here. There's some way to show this object. Oh, like, see, it's way over here for some reason. I don't know how it gets over here. Blender, import object, bring to origin. It will have its coordinates where they are in the file. There's nothing to fix here since it's not Blender, it's the file. Okay, so where's the set coordinate? Object, set origin. Huh? Oh, wait. Yes. Yes, it does. I gotta rotate it. I need to rotate it correctly. There's some control option to do it like by 90 degrees. Would you model, would I 3D model in VR? You would need to pay me. Not just for making the model, but also to learn how to model. Like I had to learn how to model a bit for my last job rotation, but it was in a different software. This is a pickup if you have an acoustic guitar. Here, this is what it looks like, right? You put it in the sound hole. This was not meant for a pickup. If you see where the holes are, this is where the stand goes. It's like a metal rod that you put to the ground, and that's where the cello sits on. I need to have this pickup fit above the hole where the rod is. Let's see if I can make what I'm trying to do on the side first. Circle. Is that the circle? No, okay, no, this is the circle. Extrude. Cool extrusion. Cylinder. I need to select the face up here and extrude it. Okay, control it. How do I extrude only straight up? It's like that eggdog meme. If you hold the axis, like XYZ, you can extrude only in that direction. Now I need to figure out how to change the radius. Blender, change cylinder radius. Alt S. Whoa, okay. Hit N and put the numbers in. Okay, so add cylinder, N. What am I looking at here? S, Shift, ZZ. I want to put in dimensions. There's a dimensions panel somewhere. Where? This is for an older version of Blender. It's. Where did object dimensions go? Hey, it's missing. I hit N. The transform thing comes up. Am I just not selecting the object? Oh, maybe I need to be in object mode. Okay, there we go. I think we got it. Oh my god. Why is the cylinder the same object? Why? Is there a way to only select one object? Why are both objects being selected? Blender, select one object. How to select object. This is not supposed to be this hard.